Purple rain, purple rain. Come on, sing it, sing with you. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain. No, put that shit up. This is fucking tight squeeze and a teabag somebody. Only want to see you laughing in the purple rain. I never want to be your weekend lover. I don't want to be your friend. Baby, I'm gonna see you. It's such a shame our friendship had to end. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Only want to see you walking in the purple rain. I know I'm vacation. Alright, Mango Nation, now the full force tonight. It's time y'all reach out for the new. That means you too. You say you want to leave, but you can't seem to make up your mind. Just close your eyes and let me guide to the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Thank you guys very much for coming out. I appreciate it. Derrick Moore.
Brian Beaudoin, everybody! Oh, I bet you guys didn't expect the show to end like that. Did you guys have fun tonight? Yeah? You had fun? Nah, I don't believe you. Did you guys have fun tonight? I think you want more. Do you guys want some more? We can give you more. Let me know you want some more. Come on. Keep it up. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Notorious F A G. My man hit with a tank and a 9 in my crib. Turned himself in, he had to do a bit. I won the 3, he be home in the 93. I'm ready to get this paper, G. You with me? Motherfucking rap. My body's looking kind of tight. And I'm stressed. Don't make me let me get the best. No need that. Just grab the fucking gas. That's her pocket, that's tight. You take it to his back. What it's all I'm a soul. You don't make no move. Treat it like box. Stick and move. Stick and move. You ain't got this slave shit. I've been robbing motherfuckers in the slave shit. With the same clip and the same profile. 2-point blank. A motherfucker short of time. That's my word. Nigga even try to go far. Have you heard sing it? It's so hard. Yes, motherfucking fucking attitude. Because the nigga play pussy. That's the nigga that gets screwed and bruised up. From the pistol with